Number 1. 1969 Mercury Monterey Custom, $4,000, Valley City, North Dakota. This 1969 Mercury Monterey Custom is a full-size American coupe that captures late 1960s comfort and V8 cruising power. It is powered by a 390 cubic inch 2-barrel V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth and relaxed performance. Showing just over 60,000 original miles, this car presents as a desirable survivor. Factory air conditioning and power steering enhance its highway appeal. The car ran when parked and includes original items such as the owner's manual and mirror tag. Due to locked rear brakes, it will need to be trailered, making it an ideal project for a classic Mercury enthusiast. Number 2. 1976 Ford LTD, $1,600, Whitman, Arizona. This 1976 Ford LTD 4-door sedan is a solid example of a mid-1970s American full-size car. It is equipped with a 351 Cleveland V8 engine and an automatic transmission. The car is not currently running and is offered as a project, making it suitable for an affordable entry into classic ownership. With a clean title and fair overall condition, this LTD could be revived as a comfortable cruiser or restored to period-correct form. Number 3. 1968 AMC Ambassador SST 343 cubic inch, $4,000, Armona, California. This 1968 AMC Ambassador SST stands out as a distinctive alternative to more common classics. Power comes from a 343 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Factory features include air conditioning, power steering, and power brakes. It runs very well and benefits from new tires and a new battery. The interior remains presentable for its age, while the original paint shows natural wear. With a clean title and respectable mileage, this Ambassador is a solid driver quality classic with unique American Motors character. Number 4. 1963 Ford Falcon Convertible, $4,950, Concord, California. This 1963 Ford Falcon Convertible is a clean and straightforward early 60s American compact. It is powered by a 6-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission, offering easy and enjoyable driving. Showing 87,000 miles and holding a clean title, the car is described as running great. Its lightweight design and open-top experience make it an excellent choice for weekend cruising or light restoration. Number 5. 1975 GMC 2500 pickup, $3,900, Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. This 1975 GMC 2500 pickup is a dependable classic truck powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine with an automatic transmission. Showing approximately 100,000 miles, it runs and drives very well and is currently used as a local daily driver. Everything is reported to be in working order and the truck holds a clean title. It represents the durability and practicality of 70s American trucks and is suitable for both collecting and regular use. Number 6. 1984 Chevrolet Camaro, $2,950, Hemet, California. This 1984 Chevrolet Camaro is a one-owner example showing only 68,500 miles. It is equipped with a V8 engine and an automatic transmission. The car will crank with a jump, but the gauges are not functioning and it will need to be towed. Parked for over 20 years, it offers strong restoration potential. The body is free of dents, and while not a show car, its clean title and growing collector interest make it a worthwhile project. Number 7. 1984 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS, $6,650, San Bernardino, California. This 1984 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS is a desirable performance-oriented coupe from the 1980s. Powered by a V8 engine with an automatic transmission, it is presented in good condition with clean black paint and a tidy interior. The car features cold air conditioning and working heat for added comfort. Offered from a police auction with delivery available, this Monte Carlo SS remains popular due to its motorsport heritage and timeless styling. Number 8. 1972 Buick Electra, $6,500, Chula, Vista, California. This 1972 Buick Electra is a large luxury sedan powered by a massive 455 cubic inch V8 engine. Showing just 46,426 miles, it runs great and delivers a tight, smooth driving experience. Finished in brown with an automatic transmission, it reflects classic Buick comfort and strong highway performance. With a clean title and pink slip, it makes an excellent vintage cruiser or collection edition. Number 9. 1977 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, 6400 Linwood, Washington. This 1977 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is an original example powered by a 305 cubic inch V8 engine with an automatic transmission. Showing 123,000 miles, it runs well and remains very clean inside and out. The car has been sitting for a couple of years, but shows no major rust, only minor surface rust from storage. With a clean Washington title, this Monte Carlo offers classic late 70s style at an accessible price. Number 10. 1970 Pontiac LeMans, $7,000, Oceanside, California. This 1970 Pontiac LeMans hardtop is a strong muscle-era find with notable long-term storage history. It is powered by a 350 cubic inch two-barrel V8 engine paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission and starts and runs great. The odometer has rolled over, and the car was stored for 32 years in a Southern California garage. Features include front disc brakes, a new 3-row aluminum radiator, original interior, original vinyl top, and California registration. With no smog requirements ever, this LeMans is an excellent candidate for a GTO clone, Judge Tribute, or enjoyable classic driving as is.